You want it? We can eat the baby. I can eat the baby there. Thank you. That's what Garfield is doing.
What are you yapping about?
We can move these out the way so that we can see them better. Oh, they're meowing. Look, guys, the babies are awake and they're right. Shut up. They're just on top. They look so big now. Look at them. Some of that anymore. Oh, they're so cute.
It is not a Ken person. What? Bro is like Ken Carson. That's legit what you did. Was that not what you said when you first listened to Ken Carson? Like, this is garbage. Zombie.
Yeah, he was. And now he listens to it. Yeah, but I need to other better.
You just sung the song I played on the TV.
Yo, Savi, come here. Look at the cats. They're just cats. They're so big, bro. And they actually have eyes. Hey, you can see their eyes? I saw one of their